this next tutorial will be how to log in and use Gizmos. So Gizmos is an online website called Explore Learning Gizmos. The link is under General Resources in the Science Google Classroom. When a student clicks on this, it'll bring them to the website and it'll look like this. And they click up here in the right-hand corner, Login or Enroll. Now their username for my class should be the first part of their email, so it should be 28, last name, first letter, and their password should be their lunch pin 2 times. For the most case, that was how the kids logged in as directed, but sometimes there's typos and things like that, so if a kid is ever confused on what their login is, they can reach out to me in class and I can write it down for them. So once they log in, they'll see their class period. So here are some of the gizmos that have been assigned. We did Pattern Finder to learn how to use gizmos. Homeostasis is part of medical explorations, and weathering was the one we did in class today, 9:20. So many gizmos have lots of different things where they can change variables and learn about different scientific concepts. So this is the gizmo itself. And then if you scroll down, there are assessment questions, which are 5 multiple choice questions. And these are not always assigned. We did not do them today. But in the future, if a student is assigned to do the assessment questions, know that they are underneath the gizmo. And they're all multiple choice, and then you can check your answers and see how you did. So that is how we do gizmos.